Okay, so Roaming Small Patrick's, just a little progress video. I love the way this thing looks. This is great. So anyways, kind of off topic there. Progress video, just climbing up inside. Kitchen framing is all in. Obviously, sink will be here. Storage underneath. Whole bank of drawers all the way down to the bottom. Cooktop induction, 2-burner induction cooktop will be here, and drawers all the way down. I have the driver's side bench framed in now, so there'll be a storage drawer coming out from underneath in this area here that'll come straight out. I don't have anything over top of the tank yet, but that'll be the platform there. That's where our feet will go. Seems to line up pretty good. You pull this out, it's supposed to, I had designed it so it lines up pretty much right at the end of the bench, and there's our dining table right there. And so that's almost perfect. And of course, there's the edge of our counter right here, and this will be the end of the table, so that's almost perfect. And again, this is the passenger side seating, so that's almost perfect. So looks like all my my year of measuring and planning and drawing out drawings is going to actually come about correctly. I go over here, I had to Mickey Mouse, I wouldn't say Mickey Mouse, but I had to do a little bit of an adjustment here, you can see. This way here, I wanted to have a area so I could run all of my water lines and everything away from the drawers. So I've got this basically 1.5 inches right back here. It'll be a gap behind my cabinet, which will also give me good airflow, and so I can actually do, like some air circulation all the way around the outside, because where I'm actually standing, of course, is where the electrical is. And so that will allow me to bring my water. My water pump will be way back there in that corner. My water will come along and my hot water will go back, because that panel right there will have our access to our outside shower. And of course our water fill, which will go into our tank kind of right there. So yeah, water pump will basically sit right in that spot there. And there'll be a vent kind of in that corner there to get the electrical through, and also to get my water filtration will be on the back side there. I could put it inside, but it would be a little difficult to get through to change filters. I also thought I might be able to mount it up against the wall. I might still put it down in here, since the sink will be out some. I can put it right there, but you know what, that might be again a little difficult to get access to. So and yeah, it's coming together. I got our big cabinet right here where the wires are. I'm going to start working on that next, because this bench seat here needs to attach to that, much like this one has here. And now I've got to start cutting all my infill panels, which are these panels right here, which drop into the slots before I can start finishing off a few of these. And then of course I have to put drawers in and all that. So yeah, there's a little post that'll go here for the drawer glides to attach to, for because that's a big drawer, and this is another big drawer. So yeah, good progress, good weekend. I did cut my finger for my first injury, knock on wood. Pretty bad cut, but it bled for quite a while. A couple of band-aids on it there, and so yeah, I have an owie. Anyways, I am done for the weekend. Gonna go home and socialize, enjoy maybe a couple of beverages and some nice sous vide pork roast. So, anyways, Roaming Small Patrick's. There's the workshop, and we're making progress. It's making progress. Hope you watch it, like it, whatever you got to do, and cheers.